on selective catalytic reduction or SCR systems for vehicle emission reduction. This presentation will focus on how SCR technology helps reduce harmful exhaust emissions, especially nitrogen oxides from diesel engines. I will begin with a brief introduction to the topic before my teammates continue with the next sections. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce our group members. This project was prepared by 5 members. First of all, myself, ELVYN, son of ERUTHAYANATHAN. Secondly, Muhammad Adam Faisal with Muhammad Faisal. Thirdly, KISSHOCK Kumar, Analaki Nagarajan. Then, Muhammad SYAZWAN and Muhammad HAIQAL. Each member contributed to different parts of the report and presentation to ensure a complete understanding of the SCR system. So, moving on to the introduction, air pollution is a major global environmental issue, and one of the main sources of this problem is vehicle exhaust emissions. So, combustion engines produce harmful pollutants, especially nitrogen oxide, or it's called in term NOx. Then, these gases are very dangerous because they contribute to smoke formation, acid rain, and various health problems, particularly respiratory issues. Due to these serious effects, governments around the world have implemented strict emission standards such as Euro 6, and EPA regulations, which require advanced emission control technologies. One of the most effective technologies is developed to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions from diesel engine is selective catalytic reduction or SCR, because SCR plays an important role in controlling emissions while still allowing engines to operate efficiently.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Now I will present about the background and history of SCR. SCR patented in 1957 by Engelhard Corporation from USA, initially used in industrial and power plant application. Introduced to automotive sector in early 20s, first widely applied in heavy-duty vehicles in Japan, now commonly used in trucks, bus, and passenger diesel vehicles. Now I will present about the purpose of SAR system. So first, reduce nitrogen oxide in exhaust gas. Second, convert harmful gas into harmless substance. Third, enable compliance with global emission standard. And lastly, allow engines to operate more efficiently. So, for the theory of operation, SCR is a post-combustion emission control system. Use diesel exhaust fluid (DEF), a urea-based solution. DEF injected into host exhaust gas. Urea decomposes into ammonia. Ammonia reacts with NO, nitrogen oxide, over a catalyst, produce nitrogen and water vapor H2O.
Okay, now we move to chemical reaction in SER. Urea to ammonia, NH3 plus CO2, and next is NOx plus NH3 to N2 plus H2O. Okay, for this chemical reaction to happen, is we need to FT temperature. The range is between 200 and 400 degrees Celsius. Okay. It is high conversion efficiency under the optimal conditions. Thank you. Okay, now we move to the main component of SCR system, exhaust manifold, to direct the exhaust gases. Next is a diesel oxidation catalyst, DOC, to reduce hydrocarbons and CO. Next is a DEF injector, to ingest urea solution precisely. Next is SCR catalyst, convert NOx into N2 and H2O. And lastly is sensors and control unit, to monitor temperature and NOx levels. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Hi, my name is KISSHOCK. Matrix number is B0922101131. So I'll be presenting for advantages of SCR. So first one is the up to 90% reduction in NOx emissions, and then enables compliance with Euro 6 and EPA standards, and SCR improve overall engine fuel efficiency and also allows engine tuning for better performance And lastly, SCR contributes to longer engine lifespan. Okay, next, the disadvantages of SCR. Higher vehicle cost due to added components. SCR requires regular DEF refilling. SCR also reduce efficiency at low exhaust temperatures and increase system complexity. And lastly, SCR require higher maintenance.
So, for our opinion on selective catalytic reduction technologies, first one is selective catalytic reduction is one of the most effective nitrogen oxides reduction technologies. Next is balance engine's performance and environmental protections. In addition, essential for modern diesel vehicle, and lastly is especially important for heavy duty and commercial vehicle. So this is future improvement for selective catalytic reduction system for vehicle emission reductions. First one is improve low temperature performance. And next is reduce diesel exhaust fluids consumptions. And the third one is develop longer lasting and more durable catalysts. And next is integrate selective catalytic reductions with hybrid and electrified powertrains. And lastly, support future carbon neutral transportation goal. Next is our conclusions. So in conclusions, selective catalytic reductions or SCR is an effective technology for reducing nitrogen oxide emissions from diesel engines. It helps vehicles meet strict emission standards while allowing better engine efficiency and performance. Although it requires additional costs and diesel exhaust fluids maintenance, selective catalytic reductions remains a key solution for cleaner and more environmentally friendly transportations.
My
And that's
teammates
all from
continue with
us.
the next
Thank
sections.
you.